Hello everybody, hi to all. Hello lock spot pickers, hello lock pickers, locksmith services, and all peoples who's interesting locks and all thematic of picking and so I want to pick this lock and to open. Now, this lock have 8 levers. Eight levers. Every lever have 4 gates. And to pick with hook and tensioner, very not easy. I say another difficult. And if you not have practice with this lock, so this is not difficult, this is very difficult. Now this lock not high security lock, but very not friendly and need to fight with this lock for open. Yes. Now, what I know about this lock, I say now. Maybe I mistake, but I know this lock have first name Border, you see Border, and his second name of replica. This is PROSAM. Here we can to see, and the replica made Russian Federation. Now we can to watch and to see this moment. PROSAM, this is Russian language, and here www border locks point ru. So, and this is new lock, 23, 2 years old. And I know first country who's made this lock was Finland. Once again, if I not mistake, everything can to be. And after Finland, Russia make replica, and if I not mistake, China make. But about China, I not sure. About Russia, I know, and we can to see this now. And how I know, lock from Finland and this lock from Russia not have different points. This is one. Quality, everything. This is what I know. Maybe this information not right. But how I know, this is right. Okay. What I want to say more? When I'll be try to pick him, I open this lock, not full. Now this is closed, this is open. I want to pick and to open just one. Why? Just because timing. Another with this video will very long, and I don't want no video very long. So I want to pick from this position to this position and to get him. Okay. So I think that's all what I want to say about this lock. Maybe something more? No, that's all. So we start to pick him. Okay. Hello everybody, and we try now to open this lock. Like I say before, I use self-impression tool for tensioner, tensioner. This is perfect for here, and the long hook. Okay, this is not 2-3 minutes. This is lock. This lock take time, and we start. First, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 8, 5, okay, first, second, 4, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 5, come on, move, don't want, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 7, nice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 5, 8, 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and 5, good, 8, 5, 1, 2, 3. 7, 1, 2, 5, 6 or 5. Nice. This is okay. Five, 8, 5, 1, 2, 7, 8, 7. 8, 7. Now we can to enter and forget. Nice. Without forget. So, and now we got this lock. This position, and just a moment, ladies and gentlemen, we make little moving. Nice. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, not 4, 1, 2, 3. Just a moment. And this is here. Tools. And we move it here. And just don't move. I'm afraid video device go down, and I don't want this wheel. Oops. Okay. Okay. Oi, 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 if this is go down. Nice. So, just a moment. No, dear. Be here. So this is first out. No, come on. Now, what do you want? This is first jump from here. Now, and I put this back for understand. And I want little this position, and nice. And I need hook. This is full gate, this is full gate. Everyone, first, second, have this. I out just four, okay? And this here, and this is second. Now everyone have here full gate, and this part I want to show. No. Nice. Nice. And I need here light for look. We have here two. One between. This is first teeth. This is second teeth. So when I try to pick, this enter here, this enter here, and everyone have this full gate. Now this is second, and just a moment, where's pincet? Here. This one, third, and four. I want to get half. We not need more. And this is number 4. Number 4, and 4 gates we see. And now what I want to show, this part. Just a moment. I out this, but this way move little. Okay, and now no, nice. No, come on now. Nice. Not nice. I want to show good this moment. And once again, I show this position was when we up this enter, and now everyone have this forgate. Okay, now I put this here, and I want just to show something. Okay, and now I want to say, somebody maybe don't know, safe lock, not for door, not have this moment, but if this is lock like this, so this side would move all elements first moving, and we can to see if we see first, second, third, fourth. Look this side, first, second, third, fourth, like here. Excellent. And this part too. This part here, and this part here. Okay. So second opening, this is like first, just no, another side, can to say, and that's all about this moment. So maybe here we can to see more good teeth on this moment. Important for me to show this nice. This is very not friendly. If Folgate enter here, this is game over. So that's all. That's all. We open this lock, and I'm happy. So thank you for watching this border. This border, nice look, good look. But self-impression tool, this tool, open this lock very quickly. Just need to know how. And picking, tensioner and hook, this was a clear lock sport. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.